You take note, but you are not able to relate to your real life. If that is the case, my dear students, there's no value. So, let's talk about our stomach today. Have you ever wondered why stomach doesn't digest itself? Think about it. Our stomach produces very strong acid called hydrochloric acid. An acid strong enough to digest food like they never existed. An acid strong enough to create holes in our stomach. Yet, our stomach survive. They protect their lining from the acid every single day. How is that even possible? Let's get down with the simulation, all right? Take this water as a acid. Take this bottle as a mucus layer. This hanky as a stomach lining, okay? Mucus layer, they act as a barrier, right? They forms the barrier in between acid and stomach lining. Therefore, you can see the stomach lining or the tissues don't come in contact with the acid because of mucus layer. The thick layer of mucus, they act as an invisible raincoat inside our stomach that lines the inner lining of our stomach and prevents the contact of acid and the stomach lining. The incredible thing about our stomach is not only it produces mucus layer, but it also produces an ions called bicarbonate ions. So whenever acid tries to attack our stomach lining, bicarbonate ions will act as an antacid and it will neutralize the acid. Here is the surprising part. If you are into painkillers, especially NSAID, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, example ibuprofen, aspirin. So if you take those painkillers for long periods, what this painkiller does to our stomach is it reduces the production of mucus. So the mucus, it gets thinner and thinner and thinner, just like a plastic here. So the acid can easily destroy the mucus lining. Take this as acid. The acid will destroy the mucus lining of our stomach, resulting in the contact of our stomach lining. And ultimately, these effects can lead to gastritis. It can lead to ulcer, bleeding ulcer. You may land up vomiting blood. You may need to seek medical emergency. Very dangerous. It can cause nausea, and you may land up passing black diarrhea stools. So if you ever experience this symptom, I suggest you to seek medical emergency. So you see, when our body is trying to communicate with us, it communicates through symptoms. So don't ignore the message. So next time when you take a painkiller, remember, it isn't just working on your headache, or it isn't just reducing your pain. It could be weakening one of your most amazing protective barrier, so-called mucus layer. It could be reducing your bicarbonate ions. Follow SLD biology for such contents that actually make sense.